we were talking about relations, functions, and function notation, and we want to determine whether a relation is a function and find function values. So here we're really looking at function notation. And when we think of function notation, we're really just thinking of somebody's name. So function notation, basically that's just the name of a graph. So basically you could say, Jim, do push-ups. Or you can say, Jill, jump. So you know that Jill is supposed to do the jumping and Jim is supposed to do the push-ups because they're people's names. Well, when function notation, we don't name them with full names, we name them with letters. So in this case, we have like F and G. And for instance, this one we know that if f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, so the name of this expression right here is f of x. And g of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 1, find each value. So basically, we're going to say g, do some push-ups, and f, you jump. But we're going to use different letters or different numbers to substitute in for the variable to do that. So here, an example. We have the function f evaluated at 4. So that says everywhere that there's an x, replace it with 4. So here we took the x out and replace it with 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So the function evaluated at 4 is equal to 11. Then we can take a look at the function named g. And it says g, substitute in 0 for all the x's. So I can say g of 0 is equal to 0 squared plus 0 minus 1. So g of 0 is going to be equal to 0 plus 0 minus 1. So the function evaluated at 0 is equal to -1. So that gives us an x and y pair for this one. Our x, we substituted in 0 for x, and we got -1 for y. That's our x, y coordinate. For this original practice, our x was 4, and our y turned out to be 11. Next, we can look at, we want to take the same function. So this time we're saying f of -1, and that is going to be equal to 2 times -1 plus 3. So the function evaluated at -1 is equal to -2 plus 3. So the function evaluated at -1 is equal to 1. So the x, y pair that we came up with, x was what we put into the function, -1, and what we got out was 1. And then we have another one. The function g evaluated at 2. So g evaluated at 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 2 minus 1. So the function g evaluated at 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 1. The function g evaluated at 2 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. So then we get our ordered x comma y, and that is going to be equal to 2 comma 5.